Ladies and gentlemen, it is finally time for one of the best seasons of the entire year. This is so bad. But hi guys and welcome to my channel. In today's video I am doing a little pause in my Halloween series to make, or at least Halloween tutorial series, because technically it's still in the Halloween series. It's just this is not a tutorial. This is, I'm so excited, but this is a giveaway that I have been wanting to do for so long, and I am finally doing it. Today's video is a giveaway where I will be giving one of you guys an entire SFX makeup kit with the products that I feel are essential to have in a SFX Halloween gory bloody makeup kit. And I mean, how awesome isn't that? Before I show you guys the prizes and what you can win, I just want to go through some rules. So, rule number 1. This giveaway is international, so no matter where you live in the world, you can enter. If you are under the age of 18, you have to ask for your parents' permission before you enter this giveaway. You have to be subscribed to my YouTube channel, which is Makeupbynadja, and also my Instagram account, which is SFXbynadja. The giveaway is open from today when you see this video until October 21st. So to enter, you have to be active on my videos that I have uploaded for this year's Halloween series. So the videos from my Phantom of the Opera video and up until Halloween. And with that, I mean to comment and like the video, share the video, just be active and interact with the videos or each other. So you can comment what you think of the video, you can comment if you have a video suggestion, maybe you have a look that you would like me to do. You could comment what you want to be for Halloween, but make sure that you leave your Instagram name, like your Instagram account, in each comment. So if I pick your comment, I can just find you on Instagram and DM you right there. You can enter as many times as you want. You can leave as many comments as you want on as many videos as you want. I will be picking one random winner when the giveaway is over, and I will let you guys know who the winner was once I have done that. I will also put all of the rules and everything into the description bar below, so you can go and read that as many times as you want. But without further ado, let's get into the products. The first thing that I feel like everybody should have in their SFX makeup kit is some spirit gum or some other type of skin adhesive. For example, in my pirate video, I applied this mask thing on the top of my nose and like this part of my face. And then I applied it with some skin adhesive because it would not stay on with anything else. So the blood that you will be getting is this one from Face On, and it is a scab blood that is a little bit thicker and darker. But what I like with this is that it has a gel kind of consistency, almost like you think a yellow. So it will kind of melt, but still stay in place, and you can put it like in chunks and you can just smoosh it out so it looks really gory and bloody. And it also comes with a little stipple sponge, which I always use in my videos because it is the best way to apply blood, I feel. You will be getting my all-time favorite liquid latex from Smiffys. And what I like with this one, like I've tried so many latexes throughout the year, but this one, it doesn't burn my skin, it doesn't burn my eyes, it is so, of course it has a scent, but it's not as strong as other brands. I don't know what it is, but I have used this one for the past years and it is amazing. And also, look at the size of the bottle. It's the size of my head, so you will be having latex for a while. And to use the latex, I mean, I use it on cotton, loose cotton, cotton balls, cotton like these round hard cottons. I use it on with toilet paper. I use it just as it is to get like scratches. Like with some latex, you can create pretty much any makeup you want, like SFX makeup. Another thing that I always use in my videos is some water paints or watercolors, water makeup. So I went out and got you guys a 12 set palette. I'm trying not to get like the reflection in the lights, but you will get 12 water paints water makeup colors from Grimas. It's the same brand that I use. It is actually the same makeup palette that I use. I have the one with 24 shades, but this one is with the 12 ones, and it is with the 12 like most used ones. You have white, you have black, you have red, you have a deep red, you have a brown, you have a lot of shades here, and you can mix and match them. You even have a silver and a gold. Like how amazing isn't that? You can be a shining robot or space, I don't know. You can be whatever you want, but you will be getting this palette as well. You will also be getting this soft putty from Kryolan. Like, I know how bad I pronounce these names, but Kryolan or Kryolan, I don't know. But it looks like this, and I use this in pretty much every single video since I found this. I don't even use scar wax or nose wax anymore. I use this. And to have this together with some latex, you have pretty much everything you need to create any types of makeups. Then you will be getting something that is always out of. Like, whenever I go to order it, they are out of stock. So, but I got one, and I got one for myself as well because the one I have is about to run out. But you will be getting some Ridgid Collidion. This is the product that I use to create all of the scars, to create these deep looking wounds. Like, I applied this before, and then I applied the blood and stuff. It looks like I have a deep cut in my face, like a little cut, because when this dries, like it smells like nail polish, I would say, and it doesn't hurt, it doesn't burn or anything. When you apply this to your skin, when it dries, it literally shrinks and shrinks inwards, so it pulls your skin inward because it just dries like that, and then you literally have a dent in your skin that looks like a scar. So this is also a go-to must-have for me to have in my SFX makeup kit. And now the last thing you will be getting, but you will be getting some crazy contacts, because what is Halloween without crazy contacts? These are the ones without any strength, like it doesn't have to correct vision. It's just pure fun color contact. These ones are called blackout, and they are just completely black. I have ones like this, and I'm gonna show you right now how they look. So these look like this. They look like this. They're just completely black. They're blackout. But they are really cute, and they will give pretty much any makeup look that extra touch. So you will be getting these contacts, but like your own, so you won't be getting the ones that I've had in my eyes, because that is not a sanitary thing to do. You should not use other people's contacts. But you will be getting your own, and you will also be getting some all-in-one multi-purpose solution lens water. And it also includes a case, like a contact case. So you will be getting that one as well. So that is all of the products you can win in this giveaway. I am so excited to be giving one of you guys this SFX makeup kit. A little recap to the rules. This giveaway is international, so no matter where you live in the world, you can enter. If you are under the age of 18, you have to ask for your parents' permission before you enter this giveaway. You have to be subscribed to my YouTube channel, which is Makeupbynadja, and also my Instagram account, which is SFXbynadja. The giveaway is open from today, when you see this video, until October 21st. So to enter, you have to be active on my videos that I have uploaded for this year's Halloween series. So the videos from my Phantom of the Opera video and up until Halloween. So on all of my videos you can leave as many comments as you want, but make sure that you leave your Instagram name, like your Instagram account, in each comment. So if I pick your comment, I can just find you on Instagram and DM you right there. You can enter as many times as you want. You can leave as many comments as you want on as many videos as you want. I will be picking one random winner when the giveaway is over, and I will let you guys know who the winner was once I have done that. So yeah, let the comments and liking and everything begin. Anyways, I'm gonna go now. So let the comments begin, and good luck to you.